and head straight to Bangalore, where the Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Venkaiah Naidu is delivering the special lecture on corruption and black money in the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan.
Sri P.C. Mohan, Sri Sadashiva, Sri Ravi, C.T. Ravi, the President of the Karnataka Chamber of Commerce, and enlightened citizens of Bangalore. This is not an ordinary meeting. This is not even a political meeting also, though we are politicians. This is only to inform the people of the great campaign taken up by the Prime Minister and the need for every Indian to stand by the Prime Minister. That is the purpose of this meeting. So I am not going to talk about ideologies. I am not going to criticize this party or that party. That's why I told Mohan also, no formalities of felicitation, receiving and all, not required. This is to inform to the people. लोगों को ये जो सरकार ने एक ऐतिहासिक क्रांतिकारी कदम श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने देश में आज़ादी के बाद पहली बार इतना बड़ी पैमाने पे इसका उन्होंने ऐलान किया, उसके बारे में पूरा नेपथ्य क्या है, तथ्य क्या है, बैकग्राउंड क्या है, इसका इफेक्ट्स क्या है, साइड इफेक्ट्स क्या है, आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स क्या है, बताने के लिए मीटिंग है. इसका इफेक्ट होंगे, साइड इफेक्ट भी होंगे, साइड इफेक्ट हो रहे हैं आजकल, और आफ्टर इफेक्ट भी होंगे. तो इनके बारे में थोड़ा कम से कम मुख्य लोगों को जानकारी होना चाहिए. That's the purpose of this meeting. My colleagues also will be going to different places across the country. Friends, first of all, it is a war on corruption and black money. War. I know that I am using that word. I know, and I am using that word. I know the meaning also. I know the seriousness with which people will take. Because in India, this black money has become the biggest menace, because we are having almost a parallel economy in the country for years together, and corruption has become a way of life for some people, and poor people also started believing, ordinary people, why poor, even many of us also started believing, ये तो होते रहेगा, करना क्या है, this is our fate. देश ऐसे ही चलेगा. That is the impression. But here, came the man, Mr. Narendra Modi, to tell you, no, we will change it, we can change it, let us all join together. That's what Narendra Modi is saying. This is not to harass this party or this section or that section. It is not done keeping in view UP election, AP election, HP election. You know, in this country, every 6 months, 1 year, there will be election festival. And you know, in election means in this country, you have 3-point program: selection, correction, and election. That's a regular thing that is going on. So that's why the Prime Minister suggested, let there be simultaneous elections, let there be elections once in 5 years. That is another suggestion. We have to seriously think about it, and every political party should really think in that direction. Media also has to create awareness among the people. This is a war, because our neighbor, Pakistan, is aiding, abetting, funding, training terrorists. They want to cripple the economy of India. They want to subvert the system. So that's why they are printing counterfeit notes. देश भर में बड़ी पैमाने में वहाँ से सीमा का उस पार से लाके देश भर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे. उसके कारण से क्या हो रहा है, आपका करेंसी, आपका रुपये का वैल्यू कम हो रहा है. और जो लोग सचमुच में टैक्स पे कर रहे, जो लोग मेहनत करके पैसा कमा रहे, उनका नुकसान हो रहा है. जो लोग इस काम में लगे हैं, उनको फ़ायदा हो रहा है. Should we allow this to go on? Then इसके कारण से किसको फायदा होगा? किसी ने मेरे पूछा. सबसे ज्यादा फायदा गरीब लोगों को होगा. The biggest beneficiaries of this program will be the poor people of India. You will realize later who is the number two. Number two, the biggest beneficiaries will be the middle class of India. Number three, who are the biggest beneficiaries? The biggest beneficiaries will be honest taxpayers. Who is paying tax? He is grudging. I am paying tax. Other fellows are not paying. They are enjoying. They are going to 5-star. They are purchasing big cars. They are doing everything. I am paying tax. That much hard burning is there among those people. Now what Modi has done is, this artificial barriers, ये बड़ा बहुत रिच है, उनके पास इतना इतना बंडल्स है, इनके पास केवल सिंगल नोट है, उन्होंने दोनों को बराबर करने के लिए प्रयास किया। अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में सबको एक लेवल करना वो संभव है नहीं, बट कानून के सामने सब एक है। दैट्स वाई आपने देखा होगा इतना क्यू है, इतना वेटिंग है, सुबह आना है, दोपहर में आना है, धूप भी है, कभी कभी कुछ लोगों को नुकसान हुआ है, दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण कुछ लोग का जान भी गए हैं, फिर भी लोग नाराज नहीं है। साधारण आम आदमी नाराज नहीं है। आम आदमी पार्टी नाराज हो सकता है, मगर आम आदमी नाराज नहीं है। इस देश में जो लोग भाई कानून के हिसाब से राज्य चले, ऐसा महसूस करने वाले लोग सब खुश है। That's why the common man of India is very happy, because the Modi, here is the person who has come, who is hitting these fellows who have earned ill-gotten money. That's why ordinary people also are very happy. When banks were nationalized, the ordinary people did not get any benefit. When privy purses, Raja Maharaja's purses were abolished, only few people, they lost something and few people got public. But this is the step where it's going to have maximum effect on the common people of the country. A maximum benefit will go to the common people of the country. Friends, कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं अचानक किया है. What was the election issue in 2014? 2014 में चुनाव का मुद्दा क्या था? मुद्दा भ्रष्टाचार, मुद्दा स्कैम, 2G स्कैम, कोल स्कैम, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम स्कैम, scam. That was the main issue. Corruption was the main issue on 2014. Lack of governance and corruption. And here is the man, Modi, means 3D, is decisive, dynamic, development, 3-in-1 Modi. That's why people voted for him. भाई ये आए तो कुछ सुधारेगा. तो ये आए तो सुधारेगा. इसलिए कोई अचानक करने वाले काम नहीं है. जो मैंडेट आप लोगों ने मोदी जी को दिया, सुशासन के लिए, गुड गवर्नेंस के लिए, ऑनेस्टी के लिए, करप्शन को साफ करने के लिए आपने मैंडेट दिया, उसी मैंडेट के आधार पर इस सरकार ने कदम उठाया. कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं सर ये इसके कारण से क्या होगा, परिवर्तन होगा. लूटर्स एंड चीटर्स, डिसऑनेस्ट एंड रूल ब्रेकर्स, दे हैव टू चेंज देयर बिहेवियर. दे हैव टू कंडक्ट देमसेल्व्स इन अ डिफरेंट मैनर. They will have to fall in line with the principles of honesty and fairness. Friends, if this succeeds, there will be a white revolution in the country. Krantikari Parivartan hoga. We should all work and see to it that this succeeds. There are forces which are trying to fail this. They have no guts to come out open and say, we are opposing this. They say, ये ठीक है, मगर वो ऐसा करके इसको ये करने के लिए, फेल करने के लिए पूरा प्रयास कर रहे हैं. इससे जनता होशियार होना चाहिए. मित्रों, जैसा मैंने कहा, 60-70 साल में लोगों ने सोचा ये तो हमारा फेट ऐसा है, हम करें क्या, कोई भी आए भाई ऐसे ही होगा. बट दिस मैन सेड, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी, नो, आई विल चेंज. सो ही इज चेंजिंग नाउ. तो इन द लास्ट 8 days, द कॉमन मैन एंड द ऑनेस्ट पीपल made the most profound statement ever made in our country in the recent times. Without saying so, they made a profound statement saying that they don't mind putting up with short-term inconvenience for the larger good. Temporary pain for long-term gain. Temporary pain for long-term gain. That's the chorus across the country. That is the buzzword across the country. I was in Nellore, my native place. I just wanted to see the pulse of the people, went to a constituency, village also. Then I was talking about this. Then after that I met some farmers. I asked a farmer, भाई आपका क्या कुछ नुकसान है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है? तो उन्होंने तो प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे सर. प्रॉब्लम किस में नहीं होंगे बताइए? वो मेरे से पूछा. हर एक में प्रॉब्लम होगा, कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है. और उन्होंने कहा आपको बच्चा चाहिए ना, बच्चा चाहिए तो प्रॉब्लम होगा. मैंने कहा बच्चे में प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा? उन्होंने कहा बच्चा चाहिए ना, बच्चा चाहिए तो वाइफ प्रेग्नेंट होगा. प्रेग्नेंट के बाद आप देखेंगे 8 महीने के बाद जो प्रसव वेदना होता है ना, प्रसव वेदना, आप उसको कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते. द पेन्स द मदर गोज थ्रू दैट पीरियड, हॉरिबल पेन्स, बट स्टिल द वुमन बेयर्स इट. आफ्टर शी हियर्स द वर्ड, दैट वॉइस of the kid, she will become immensely happy. So initial pains, they are called as prasava vedana. పిల్లలు కావాలంటే కొంత కష్టపడాలా. ఆ పిల్ల కేక విన్న తర్వాత తల్లి మహదానందం పొందుతుందని చెప్పాడు అతను. దట్స్ వాట్ హీ టోల్డ్ మీ. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద కామన్ సెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ ఆఫ్ ద కంట్రీ. టెంపరరీ పెయిన్ ఫర్ లాంగ్ టర్మ్ గెయిన్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ది రిక్వైర్డ్ సర్జరీ దట్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ డన్ ఇన్ ద కంట్రీ. సర్జికల్ ఆపరేషన్ to take care of the evils and then see to it that the body's health is maintained properly. Second, those people who are standing in queues for some hours to exchange or withdraw the notes with valid currency, these are the people. These people have been demonstrating such monumental patience and discipline. They have understood the message. Some others have not understood. Some of the politicians have not understood. They will understand also. They are queuing for better India. The common people are queuing for better India. This is what is happening. This is the most profound statement to ever come from the people of this country. Friends, the Prime Minister and government is continuously monitoring. What is it we have done? We have not yet done demonetization. That will be done subsequently. We are moving in that direction. 500 and 1,000 old notes are withdrawn. And they are being exchanged in a different quantity. Because you can't totally do away with that one overnight. There will be problems. So you are being asked to exchange your notes. What I want to tell people of Bangalore and Karnataka is, if you have valid money, it will not be invalid tomorrow. Not only 2.5 lakhs. If you have this much valid money, it will be this much tomorrow also. If you have this much invalid money, it will be zero tomorrow. 2,50,000 is only for the poor people. They will exchange. If you have more than 2,50,000 also, you can exchange it also, but you have to explain. ये पैसा कहाँ से आया, इतना दिन कहाँ ठहरा, कहाँ बिठाया आपने उसको, कहाँ रखा, क्यों रखा, थोड़ा बताना पड़ेगा. और कुछ लोग ये भी गलत प्रचार चल रहे हैं, किसानों को नुकसान होगा. किसानों के इनकम टैक्स है ही नहीं, तो उनको नुकसान का सवाल ही नहीं है. और कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं गरीब लोगों को क्या होगा, गरीब लोगों के पास इतना पैसा है क्या? ये हर एक गरीब व्यक्ति मलया है क्या? पुलया कैनॉट बिकम मलया. पुलया इज पुलया ओनली. तो ये आर्ग्यूमेंट कुछ लोग ऐसी आर्ग्यूमेंट कर रहे हैं. फ्रेंड्स, देर आर different parties taking different stand. I am happy the JDU, Nitish Kumar, happy that Naveen Patnaik ji, happy Chandrababu Naidu, happy chief ministers, different chief ministers, they all openly come out and in support of this decision. But some people are not able to digest. They are not able, they have this indigestion problem from the beginning itself. From the day one you gave mandate for Modi, they are not able to digest. What is this? Ordinary fellow, tea vendor, new to national politics, suddenly he came here and then he got such a massive mandate and we have been reduced to minimum. We could not get even the recognized opposition party status also. ये कौन है ये आदमी? तो उसको स्वीकार करने के लिए वो तैयार नहीं है. वो अज़म नहीं कर पा रहे तथ्य को. तथ्य है. That is the mandate of the people. It is not that Modi suddenly came and declared a war and then मैंने जीत लिया. ऐसा नहीं. उन्होंने ऐसा कहा नहीं. उन्होंने लोगों का मन जीत लिया. लोगों ने उनको आदेश दिया. कुछ लोग फिर तब से ड्रामा शुरू किया, हम अवार्ड वापस करेंगे, हम ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे. मुझे अभी याद आ रहा है सदगुरु वासुदेव जी, ईशा फाउंडेशन, वो नेल्लूर आए थे, मेरा बेटी ने बुलाया तो आए तो स्कूल में भाषण दे रहे थे। लोगों ने पूछा सर कुछ लोग अवार्ड वापस, गुरुजी कुछ लोग अवार्ड वापस कर रहे हैं, उसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है? उन्होंने कहा उन लोगों ने थोड़ी देर के बाद उनको रियलाइज किया होगा वो अवार्ड लेने के लिए अनफिट है, इसलिए वापस कर रहे हैं सर।